Pororo! Loopy and Petty!
Pororo is snowboarding down the hill.
Loopy, it's your turn now.
Oh, Petty, you go first. I'll follow you.
Be quick, okay? Here I come.
Wow, Petty's really good.
Yippee! Woohoo! Loopy, come down now.
Oh, it's so steep. But Petty did it too.
Loopy, are you okay?
Was it okay?
Pororo and friends went to Petty's house together.
Try some of this. I made it by myself. Not sure what it will taste like, though. I don't want any.
I'm a bit full too.
Oh, really? I'll have it all then. Salty. Salty? Maybe I put too much salt in it. Here. Wow, it's yummy.
I was so hungry.
Petty,
Huh?
you try some too.
Okay. Wow, yummy.
Help yourself.
Bye. Bye. It's salty. Oh. Here. Oh. If you want some, line up over there. Wow, it's yummy.
Oh, delicious.
Harry.
Wow, it looks so pretty. It's yummy too.
All right, let's try once more.
Petty made some cookies again.
It just better be good this time. Oh, it's so bitter. I gotta try once more.
Oh, I'm scared, but I can do it too.
Here I come. Loopy, are you okay? Were you skiing by yourself?
Yeah, I can smell something burning.
Burning? My cookies are burning!
Wow, you made so many cookies.
I was practicing to make nice cookies like the ones that you make.
I was practicing too, so that I could ski, just like you.
Then, shall we help each other?
That's a good idea.
So, Loopy taught Petty how to make tasty cookies. And Petty taught Loopy how to ski.